morras que ya se les hace tarde, el que no exista una rebelde como yo. Y es que la neta de todas yo soy su madre, reinas potrancas peligrosas, aquí estoy. Soy atrevida, el que me gusta me le aviento, lo que yo quiero lo consigo, sí señor. Un hombre
My honest reaction,
valiente es lo que pienso.
I only taste the hot Cheetos and mainly the candy. I'm not a pickle person either, but I don't really taste it. But I wouldn't eat it again.
Okay, but on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
Like a 6, just because I also don't like spicy either. So
And you don't taste the hot Cheetos?
not too much because the chamoy kind of
Like neutralizes it?
yeah.
Okay. Alright, so overall, wouldn't do it again, right?
No,
Okay.
and it was very messy.
Okay, let's see what it tastes like. I'd give it a 4 out of 10. That's just because I don't like pickles though, but thumbs up, thumbs down.
Sideways.